putting rail cars in Roanoke and shipped out here in rail cars, and then we unload the cars by tipping them over inside our facility, dumping them out on the floors. Then we have two rubber-tired loaders that push them into our haul trucks, and we got an excavator that spreads it out and packs it in the truck so we can get volume in it. I think Cat's got great service as far as calling and getting someone over here if you need it. And dependability, we haven't had no whole lot of problem at them. We've been pretty much Cat equipment ever since we've been in business, and it just seems to, it comes to us. As far as our parts, they're always there the next day. And normally if you call in, they're going to try to have somebody there by the next day. So, I'd say that's got the main thing to do with it.